This one up in YouTube also. I just want to make sure this will go up live. Ayan. Adriano, sa pasap mo nga pala, request ko sa inyo guys, paki-share po itong video na ito. Please share this to your friends, to your Facebook wall, and to your trading groups. If you have any other trading groups aside from ours here in Stockshead and my trading group, which is Billionaires Club, if ever may mga trading groups kayo dyan, please share this video so that more newbies will know about this, especially the topic right now. Right? One of the biggest question kasi is, for a newbie kasi is, sir, I have this X amount and how much should I diversify? And I want to trade, ilang percentage ba ita-trade ko dito? And ilan for investing? I want to share to you how I handle my portfolio. It's a very quick talk. We have to end today at 7:45. So I'm gonna run through the comments really quick and then go to the topic, and let's see if ever makapag-charting tayo. If ever we still have time, we will do charting. Pero anyways, it's a weekend. So hindi nyo talaga kailangan mag-trade naman talaga. And pa-pullback ang market. Right? PSEI update. Let me share my screen. Yan. Update is PSEI. We were expecting a downtrend of PSEI. We are still seeing a downtrend right now. This is the pullback and this is the lower high. Another lower high. So yeah, most probably market is still gonna go down. So no need to rush trading right now since the market's on a downtrend. Alright, I want to switch music. And doon tayo sa chill muna while yan. Adriano Mendoza, good evening. Piolo Cortez, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Happy Friday po. Happy birthday to my mom. Alright, nag-celebrate kami ng birthday ng mom ko kanina. Alright, it's her, how old is my mom? I don't really try to remember age, even my age, I forget. But yeah, happy birthday to my mom. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Happy Friday po. Happy Friday. Early love. Good evening, sir. This is from Eliza Raya. Sir, lagay ko po sa BTC XRP. Sir, lagay po BTC at XRP. Good evening po. Pasili po si D-Vax and Bingo, Bayonano. Meron din ako news na i-share din dapat sa inyo. One of the biggest news right now is about Semirara. DOE slaps penalty versus Semirara. Kasi removing the penalty of 1 month suspension of Semirara Coal Traders accreditation with a warning that henceforth it should exercise more prudence and care in conducting its coal trading related transactions in order to avoid similar issues and cases in the future. So that's a big slap for Semirara. So hopefully makarecover naman sila noon. But yeah, Semirara SAC, yan, video interrupted every now and then. So medyo lag po yung live natin. Ishi Marimat, sinulat ko lang po yung request ninyo. Divax and Bayonano. Dadaanan natin yan mamaya. Hopefully we have time to do charting. We have to end at 7:45. May event kasi mamaya. Right? Sir GM po. Alright, let's check it out. International market medyo nag-bounce naman. So looking well. Gabi, Benedict, Sir Idol, good evening. Haji Barola, good evening, Sir L. Good evening po. Von Soriano, good evening, Sir. Kakapit ko pa lang sa'yo. Kagabi, green agad. Tumubo yung port natin kagabi after the pullback. But do not look at it for long term, right? But there will be chances, especially if kakapit nyo pa lang sa akin. Magna-negative pa yan, especially if medyo mataas na yung pagkakopy ninyo. So, right now, market is going sideways, so it's gonna be up, down. So, mag-green, red yan. March is kind of challenging for the traders. Kahit nga sila Miyoshi pulahan. One of the biggest, one of the best traders right now, this is J Nemesis. Nakita nyo, March niya is negative 6.22. Swerte lang natin na March natin medyo stable naman, medyo 0.83 lang naman. So, at the very least, we are doing well, diba? But J Nemesis, it's a challenging month. If ever we end the month negative, that's okay. My goal in copy trading is really beat the best index in the world, which is, for me, is Nasdaq 100. For me, technology stocks is the future. Laki pa ng growth potential in technology stocks. So, that's why I love Nasdaq. I am trading the Nasdaq and I want to beat Nasdaq. And that's the goal of my portfolio. There will be months siguro na pula, but yeah. That's okay for me. Same here, sir. Slow PLDT in Lipa, Batangas. Good evening, sir. Good evening po. Pure Gold and 𝑢𝑅 po. We will check that out later. Sa charting natin, hopefully we still have time. Nice topic, sir, about portfolio management. We will start at around 7:20 siguro for our topic. Jennifer Peña, yaps, maintenance daw po PLDT till 31st. Yun nga eh. Problema ang PLDT ngayon, guys. Meron daw silang submarine cable na putol. Something, so ayusin nila. So hanggang 31 pa yon. So I'm expecting slow internet the next coming days. Nakikonnect lang ako. Swerte lang natin. Meron tayong backup na linya. Right. Anyways. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po si SNX. We will write that down. SNX. Richard Aguilera, happy birthday to your mom, sir. Thank you. Kelvin Charles, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Anong payment method mo recommend nyo kay eToro? What I use in my eToro is, this is what I recommend. Kahit ano naman pwede. Pwede kayo mag-online local online banking if that's the best for you. What I use is Metrobank. Right? Yung punta kayo Metrobank, open savings account and ask for a debit card. Yung debit card nila sobrang dali. You can get it after one day. Yung walang pangalan lang. Okay na yon. Just for your eToro. Lagyan nyo lang ng pera. Use it. Load your eToro using debit. And then, once na mag-withdraw kayo sa eToro, diretso din doon. Walang problema sa Metrobank. Sobrang swabe. So, I will recommend Metrobank. Franz, good evening. Happy birthday to your mom. Thanks, Franz Cavillas. Yes, sir. No worries. Daljan Maumay, good evening. Good evening, Buds. Alright, Buds de la Cruz. Thank you for... sorry. Napindot ko yung mga pangalan ng tinag nyo. Lumabas tuloy sa live ko. Anyways. Right. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Happy birthday to your mother. May God bless her with good health and more years to come. In Jesus' name. Thank you so much, Jepoy Gagarin and Jenlyn for the greetings. Alright, so those are the comments. Let me go to YouTube. I want to make sure our live right there is also good. So we have viewers then sa YouTube. So if you have any requests, we'll do it right here. So anyways. So let's talk about portfolio management. Alam ko in my international market trading, in my portfolio dito, this is not the one that I'm teaching in my seminars, right? I teach portfolio management din kasi sa seminars ko. Okay? Biggest question for a newbie is that magkano ba? Or let's start with this number one question. Lagi ko to natatanggap. Sir, for let's say for a 50,000 pesos na port. Okay? For 50,000 pesos na port. Ilan bang stocks ang dapat hawakan ko? Okay? Ilan bang stocks ang dapat hawakan ko? Right? Usually my answer right there is a 50,000 na stock. You can diversify it out to five stocks. Right? Meron sa inyo aabot ng 10 stocks, ganito ganyan. Kasi magte-test buy lang kayo, ganito ganyan. But I recommend only 5 stocks. Bakit? Yes, again. Part of the skills that you need to understand in trading is dealing with your port and management, your port management. And it's gonna be very hard for you to manage your port if sobrang dami dyan. Nakita niyo yung screen na ganito? Meron lumapit sa akin dati na nagpatulong and he gave me a snapshot of his portfolio and this is what I saw. Parang ganito. Parang ganito pero call yung gamit niya. Parang ganito, punong-puno. Akala ko watchlist. Yun pala, yun na yung port niya. Right? And you have to scroll even further down para makita niyo talaga. Sobrang sakit sa ulo. Kasi nangyayari sa ginagawa niya is she wants to trade and then pag nalulugi, hindi niya sinastop loss, so pinababayaan niya na lang and top up, or if meron pa siyang funds, he'll try different stock, ganito, ganyan. And she couldn't make up her mind to a point na sobrang sakit na sa ulo i-manage yung port na yun. Right? If you're in that case, let me know. Lagay niyo sa comments anong dapat gawin niyo. Alright, if you need portfolio advices, send me a message. I can't promise to answer you right away, but I do the best I can, man. Alam ko maraming nagme-message sa akin sa Financial Freedom 101. I always allot siguro an hour of my time every day. Sinasagot ko lahat ng hindi ko pa nasagot. Inuuna ko yung mga medyo matagal na. Tapos, after 1 hour, medyo pagod na. So, I breathe a sigh of relief. Say, okay na. Tapos, after an hour, pagtingin ko sa inbox ko, puno naman kasi nag-reply na naman lahat. So, it's gonna be very challenging for me to answer you. But, yeah. The point is, start with 5 stocks. 3 to 5 stocks. Manage them that way. If ever ma-manage mo yung 3 or 5 and you do well, then that's good already for you. Then you start adding to a point na yung kaya nyo lang i-manage talaga. Right? Kasi pag masyadong marami, sasakit ulo nyo dyan. Or if sabay-sabay bumagsak yan, nako po. So sobrang dami, hindi nyo alam anong gagawin nyo. Ang ending, magiging investor kayo sa lahat. So start with 3 to 5. It's about management. And again, it's about trading development. That's gonna be part of your trading development. Okay? Now, another question newbies usually have when it comes to portfolio management is ito yun So Lloyd, ilang part ng portfolio ko ang dapat kong i-trade for trading and ilang part ng portfolio ko ang dapat for investing. Okay? So that's one of the questions. Let me know in the comments if yun ba isa sa mga questions ninyo. Right? But yeah, that's one of the questions. My answer usually is a question again. So I always ask them, what percentage of your port are you willing to risk? Teka lang kasi replay ko lang kasi I think naputol ba live ko? Right. Pasensya na medyo mabagal talaga net ngayon. Right, so yeah. So I always ask them, what percentage of your portfolio are you willing to risk? Post it in the comments. Ilang percentage ng port mo ang okay lang sa'yo na mawala? Right? So, whatever your answer is, I'll give you 10 seconds. My question for you is, ilang percentage ng pera mo in your portfolio ang okay lang sa inyo mawala? Alright? Post in the comments. 1, 2, 10. Right? Whatever your answer there is, you start trading with that amount. Remember this. Kumakati yung ilong ko. Yan. Remember this always. Do not forget the reason why you got into the stock market. It's the spirit of investing. Okay? Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan yan. So, dapat ang main purpose nyo in the stock market is investing. Alright, there's a saying in stocks that goes like this. Stock market should be more about protecting your money. Right? Protecting your money. Majority of it should go to defense and only a small portion of it should go to offense. That is how you start properly. Okay? Majority of it goes to defense. And how do you defend your money? How do you put a defense on your portfolio? Put it in stable stocks. Basically, that's investing. Majority of your port should go into investing. Okay? And whatever you have na ayaw nyong mawala, okay lang sa inyo mawala, 20%, let's say 20%, yun po yung trading nyo. I'm gonna go to the comments. Some are answering 15%, 10%, 20%. Now, why am I asking you this? 50%, may nabasa ko 50% dito sa comments. It's not showing up right here. But yeah, why am I asking you this? It's because trading is about emotion. It all boils down again to your trading development. And part of your development is about mastering your emotion. Right? If you're okay, now 20% ng portfolio mo, 30%, 40%, some even say 50%. 50% ang mawala. Then kung okay lang sa inyo mawala yung pera na yan, that means you have less attachment to this amount. And the lesser your attachment is to that fund, the lesser your emotion is. And so, you can trade better. Okay? So, okay lang to. 20% ng port ko, okay lang sa akin mawala. So, ito yung trade ko. So, that's what you use for trading then. Then, try nyo po patubuin. This is what I do. Again, I started like this. Majority of you, ito talagang turo ng mga nagtuturo sa akin noon. Majority of your portfolio should be into investing. Every starter, lahat ng newbies nagsisimula sa ganito. Okay, bakit? Because when you try to trade, when you're a newbie, chances are you're gonna lose money. Okay? And if you risk your entire port, that's one of the reason bakit ang daming traders ang nag-quit sa trading. Because you lose majority of your port, you lose money that you don't want to lose. And that's frustrating, and if ever malaki yung amount na yun, your frustration is gonna be very big. That's why you quit instead. Instead, dapat nga is you focus on developing nga diba? So, going back to my point, 20%, okay lang siya yung mawala. So, you try to trade this 20%. Chances are you're gonna lose that 20% if you're still a newbie. Kung gusto nyo talaga walang mawala, then mag-copy trade muna kayo, and then mag-virtual trade muna kayo with funds and try to create a trading system fit for you. But anyways, 20% chances are you're gonna lose this amount, right? Then once maubos yan, then wag nyo pong gagalawin yung investment nyo. Please, wag nyo pong gagalawin yan, right? But if this 20% that you have starts to grow, which is how I started, yung 20% ko by the, let's say for example, nangyayari sa akin noon is after my 20%, nananalo ako, let's say 5 to 10,000 a month, 5,000 to 10,000 pesos a month sa trading ko. Right? What I do is, hindi ko yan idadagdag sa amount na ita-trade ko. No. What I do is, I secure that fund. Okay? Si-secure ko yan, and then, place it in my defense stocks. Especially noon, sobrang ganda accumulate ng mga stocks. So, ito yung ginawa ko noon. That is how I became successful in stocks. Ito yung kinikita ko ngayon. Let's say, meron akong 5,000 pesos. Uy, meron akong 5K ngayon for this month. Right? Let's say, for example, 50%, 50K yung pinag-trade ko. The rest is my investment. 50K yung pinag-trade ko. End of the month, I have 5K. So, 10% growth. So, yung 5K na yon, hahanap ako ngayon sa mga positions ko. Let's say, for example, titignan ko si JFC. Uy, si JFC medyo mahal pa, hindi pa nagpa-pullback. So, hindi ko muna bibilin kay JFC. Uy, si SMPH nag-pullback. Right? So, yung 5K ko ngayon, itatabi ko na yan. Hindi ko muna gagalawin. Aantayin ko yung stabilization muna sa pullback ni SMPH, and then ilalagay ko SMPH. That's how I average up. But basically, it's when you're investing, it's about how many stocks you're holding. Diba? It's about volume. It's not about your percentage of growth. Right? It's about volume. So this is how I slowly increase my volume. And then, yung 50K ko, yun na naman ang ipanta-trade ko. Kasi, yun lang ang amount na gusto, okay lang sa akin mawala Right? And I started with that, and then until I had my trading system, and then slowly, gradually pinapalaki ko rin yung trading amount ko. But my point is, magkano lang ang gusto mong okay lang sa'yo mawala na funds sa portfolio mo. Yun po yung pang-trade nyo. Let's say if you can grow that, and then once you're already confident, then you start adding. And that is how you manage your portfolio. Especially right now, the market is very low. Right? Sa PSE, pero pangit i-trade international market na lang kayo. Anyways, that is basically my message for you guys about portfolio management. Wag muna masyadong marami. And when we talk about percentage of investment and percentage of trading, you already got the answer. Do you have any question about portfolio management? Post it in the comments. I'll read that. Sir, isa lang po ba yung broker mo sa pagte-trade at pag-invest? As much as possible, isa lang. Nagsimula ako sa isa. Ngayon, sobrang dami kasi nagre-review ako ng mga brokers. Pero you can do it with one. You will come to a point na your skills can manage na meron sa isang portfolio lang. Andun na yung pang-trading mo. Andun na yung pang-investing mo. But medyo mataas na risk. Mas mataas na not risk. It needs higher level of knowledge and skill when it comes to trading, but I'm sure you can do that. Madali lang naman yon once you know trading already. Okay? Simple, medyo madali na lang yon. Sa eToro, ang ginagawa ko is meron akong maraming accounts. Kasi iba na yung style sa eToro right? Iba na yung strategy ko sa eToro. So meron akong public port ko. meron akong private na portfolio na kinaka-copy trade ko lang dito. Alright? So, whatever I do here, sinusunod ng private ko na account kasi andun talaga yung investment ko. Kasi I don't want that to go public. Dito ko lang, ito lang yung pang trade ko, pang public pinapakita ko sa inyo. This is basically for performance and trading journey natin. So, I'm keeping this public para makita nyo rin po yung trading journey natin. And then, meron akong mga ports para sa mga anak ko. And bibigay ko sa kanila yun when they grow up. Anyways. Sir Loy, pag na-copy trade po, wala po ba masyadong intindihin ba po? Matamlay yung market, wala pang harvest sa copy trade po. Wala ka nang iisipin dapat sa copy trading eh. The purpose of copy trading is really if you don't know how to trade, ayaw nyo or you have a business, meron kayong ibang pinagkakaabalahan, and wala kayong oras to really look at the market, ganito, ganyan. Let the trader do the trades for you, right? Basically, wala kayong gagawin. Sa inyo lang is look for the trader, and once you find the trader, iwan nyo na sa kanya. Siya na bahala mag-isip, siya na bahala sumakit ang ulo. Anyways, binabayaran naman siya ni eToro. Right? You, for free. That's why it sounds too good to be true, but man, this is one of the best things that happen in trading, yung copy trading, especially sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Thanks, Sir Lloyd, for this lesson. It's not always talked about, but it's crucial in effective trading and investing. Hi, Sir Lloyd, ano pong best recommended stock nyo for long term? I can't say. Ngayon, to be honest with you guys, I can't say for now. Right? I can't say for now, pero maganda naman ang takbo nila CLI, sila M-Wide. I'm more into, medyo malaki-laki ang hawak ko kay dito ngayon because I'm banking on the future of dito. So, I have that. But, again, it's kind of speculative. For me, anong pinakamaganda for long term? Microsoft. So majority of my portfolio is invested in Microsoft. If you want, I can share to you my portfolio. This is my portfolio in the international market. Majority of my portfolio is invested in Microsoft. Bakit? Lahat ng computer halos sa buong mundo gumagamit ng Microsoft. So yeah, that's why I'm very invested. I'm invested much in Microsoft. So for me, best best stock for long term, Microsoft. The computers are gonna stay for quite a while. Right. Okay to lose 10% of possible 50% or more gain. Ayan, nabasa na natin to. Sir Lloyd, ayan. 90% but copy trade ang long term. Okay lang po ba, Sir Lloyd? 90% but copy trade and long term. Okay lang po ba, Sir Lloyd? This is from Leo Abad. Kung okay na sa inyo mawala 90%, then that means the amount that you have right now, you're risking it. Pwede nyo po i-trade. But you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. So, if you're into copy trading, then that's already good. Shin Shimano, good PM. Sir, isa lang po ba yung broker mo sa pang-trade and pang-invest? Yes, isa lang po. Same, Sir Lloyd, 30% of my portfolio pang-trade and 70% pang long-term investing. And this is very good answer from John Paralejas. Again, please do not forget the reason why you got into the stock market. Don't ever forget your reason for getting in the market, and that is because of investing. Huwag kayong mag-greedy. Alam ko maraming nag-greedy dahil sa, yes, malaking potential na kita, but it will follow, right? Trust the process. Sir, what do you think yung pag na-diversify po sa different markets and different time of opening, like Hong Kong market and Nasdaq, okay po ba yun? The good thing about international market is may stop loss and may auto-take profits. Meron po siyang pending order. So kahit natulog ka, kahit na iba yung oras ng market, if you're into for mid or for long term, it doesn't really matter what price you get in. Diba yung iba mitikuloso na gusto sa, let's say for example, the price right now is 7.10. Gusto mo pumasok, nagpo-pullback siya, gusto mo pumasok talaga at 7.05. Pero kailangan mo abangan yon. Dito sa international market, if you're into for mid to long term, it doesn't really matter if it's in the area of your support, then just get in right away kahit anong presyo pa yon. So doesn't really need much of bantay. That's the term, bantay. Nakita niyo yung port ko, It's already March, turning April. I'm gonna be adjusting my ports. Maybe average down on some or take profits on some. But napaka-relax lang po ng trading. Okay. Shepard, Sir Lloyd, how to manage portfolio for long term? Kasi po, kasi DP kasi ako, di po kasi ako marunong kahit gusto kong mag-day trading. Nag-try ako minsan, nasunog lang. Mamaya kayo make day trading. If you're a newbie, try investing first. Master investing first. Understand the market cycle. Try to practice trade muna until you get the grasp of the market. You understand why it moves like this, why it moves like that. And then you try to trade. Try position trading first. Pinakaunang trading na dapat nyo matutunan is position trading to give you better grasp of the market movement, and mas slow siya. Mas mabagal ang galawan. Right? And then try to go up to swing trading, to swing trading, momentum trading, and then try day trading. Pinaka-last po dapat ang day trading. Huwag nyo yung mag-day trade kaagad. Masusunog lang ang pera ninyo. Again, your goal is to focus on your trading development, your trader development. It's not about the profits in the first 1 to 2 years of your trading. Hello, Sir Lloyd. Ted, so ready na po ako to copy you sa $500 na fund ko sa copy trading. Ilan po ang copy stop loss amount? Thanks. Put it around 15%. I would say 15% for copying me. Right? Laura Rubina pa, I really value your advice. This is from Laura. Thank you so much. All right. You're welcome. Anyways, it's 7:36. Medyo alanganin yung net ko talaga. Right. Hindi pa ako naghapunan. Anyways, I think I'm gonna skip on I'm gonna skip on charting lang muna today. I need to prepare for something kasi. But alam niyo po, lahat po na itong tinuturo ko, this is part of the seminar that I have, the Trading Masterclass with Lloyd Bazaar. Ngayon, hindi na tayo nakapag-seminar because bawal na nga because of COVID. So, yeah, if you want to get access to my seminars, may recorded pa ako dyan. Go to patreon.com/albazaar. If you donate to me, I'll give something back to you in return. So, yan po. So, if you want to help me out, check it out right there. Shout out, Coach Idol. This is from Johan. Shout out to you. Here's how I manage my portfolio. Any thoughts? Basahin ko to. Right. Portfolio A, 60% blue chips, long-term investment. Very good. 20% second liner stocks with good stories, midterm. Right? Very good. Then 20% willing to risk penny stocks and quit trading when taking profits. 50% goes to long-term, 50%. That's very good. That's basically the thought that I gave you earlier. Medyo mas specific lang, di ba? But at the very least, you are on the right track. Ganun po dapat. Okay? Yung 20% nyo, when you try to trade it at nawala yan, huwag nyo pong kukunan yung pera ninyo sa pang long term ninyo. If you lose the 20%, maybe half of it is gone, naging 10K na lang, 10% na lang, that means you don't have a trading, that will be your lesson. It will tell you that you don't have a trading system just yet. Okay, so wag mo nang dadagdagan muna. Use that 10% if you still want to trade. If ever maubos pa talaga yan, that really means na wala ka pa talagang trading system. So, it will be your trigger to really learn more. At least matututo po kayo. Okay? Shout out, Coach Idol. This is from John Divina Gracia. Alright, so, ayan. So, a tad bit of knowledge galing po sa akin. Right? Go to StocksEd. Yung mga nagsisimula pa lang dyan, go to stocksed.com. Please go to stocksed.com. We have free courses for you right there. Okay? Yung free courses po namin, yun yung pinaka-foundation ninyo dapat before you start in the stock market. It is more about economics, how money works, how our economy works. And that's gonna be very important for you to start, right? So please go to stocksed.com, get our free courses. And then, if ever gusto nyo kunin yung premium courses natin, use this code right here, @LBazaar, right? @LBazaar, and meron po kayong discount. If you want it for free, then create an eToro account, and then like Levi Pamitan, Create an eToro account using the link in the video description. Importante po yan. And then fund it. Pag na-fundan nyo na po yan, let us know in StocksEd. And pwede po namin kayo papiliin ng courses namin. And it's gonna be for free. Sagot po ni eToro yan. Si eToro po magbabayad. It's only until March. April po. April 1. Wala na po yun. So, hopefully you take advantage of it para hindi po sayang. So, yeah. And again, if you wanna help me out, yan, patreon.com. You can donate to me. If ever large amounts you donate nyo, I'm gonna give something back to you guys. You get access to all my premium seminars na recorded. Right? So check out patreon.com/albazar. That's gonna be it for me today, this evening. Pasensya na po, we're gonna be cutting it short. But Monday, right? Ang ganda po yung topic natin. On Monday, marami po ditong technical analysis Tuesdays natin. We merong request dito about reversal candlesticks, so we're gonna be talking about that. But on Monday, dividend stocks naman in eToro. May nag-request nito dividend stocks in eToro, so we'll talk about that. Kasi kay eToro, pwede rin kayo makatanggap ng mga dividends. So we're gonna be talking about that also. So Monday is an episode you don't want to miss. I'll see you on Monday for this evening. Please enjoy the rest of the evening. Enjoy your weekend. You can still practice. You can still learn so many things. Pero please spend time with your family. Also, wag puro pera ang iniisip, diba? That's it for me this evening. And as always, enjoy the rest of the weekend. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.